Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device model and OS so you pick the correct backup. This matters because restores differ between manufacturers. Once you have your Google or Apple ID credentials, insert the SIM, connect power, and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Now start the setup wizard and sign into your account when prompted. The phone will detect cloud backups. If prompted, choose the most recent backup by date and tap Restore so the transfer of apps and settings can commence. Once the restore begins, keep an eye on progress and prioritize reinstalling essential apps manually if the automatic restore stalls. Make sure to download large media like photos or videos from your cloud gallery rather than forcing everything at once to avoid bandwidth spikes. Reconfigure account sync, notification preferences, app permissions, and any two-factor authentication. This ensures apps behave like before. Also check system updates and let the phone finish any background app optimization before testing function. To finish, verify your contacts, messages, and photos are present and open key apps to confirm logins. Run any pending system updates and reboot the phone to settle services and background tasks. This often resolves sluggishness. If something is missing or apps crash, clear the offending app cache, reinstall it, or perform a wired restore from a local backup. If problems persist, switch Wi-Fi networks or use a different backup snapshot. Those steps usually recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.